How to pass LiveChat contacts to Asana. In this tutorial, you'll find instructions on how to create a Zap adding a LiveChat contact to Asana stories after the chat is finished. Creating the Asana, LiveChat Zap. Creating a Zap consists of three main parts. 1. Setting up the trigger. 2. Configuring the action. 3. Launching the Zap. You can use a ready-made Zap template to set up this integration. Check it out in LiveChat Zapbook. Setting up LiveChat trigger. The first step to set up this integration is to determine a condition that will trigger an action in your Asana account. 1. Log into Zapier and click on Make a Zap in the upper menu. 2. Choose LiveChat as the trigger app. 3. Select Finish Chat as the trigger. 4. Click on Save and Continue to proceed. 5. Click on Connect a new account and then provide your LiveChat login email and the API key. Next, click on the Yes, Continue to accept. 6. You can rename the account and then click on Save and Continue. 7. Select Fetch and continue to test this step and make sure it is working properly. Configuring the action in Asana. Now's the right time to configure what will happen in Asana after a finished chat. 8. Choose Asana as action app. 9. Then choose Create Story as the action and confirm by clicking on Continue button. 10. Select your Asana account and confirm the choice by clicking on Continue. 11. Grant Zapier permissions to access your Asana account by clicking Allow in the pop-up window. 12. Next, set up which data will be passed to Asana. 13. After you finish, click on Continue button down the page to proceed. 14. Zapier will ask you to test the Zap. Follow the instructions to make sure your Zap is working correctly. 15. Next, click on the Finish button. Launching the Zap. Ready, steady. Let's turn this integration on. 16. Turn the Zap on by clicking on the gray switch and start passing information from LiveChat to Asana. Well done. You have just linked your LiveChat with Asana through Zapier. At the end of each chat, it will save the info about your visitor and add it to your stories in Asana.